Good morning. My name is Annabelle. I am a student of grade 1. Today is 18 August and 2026. Today is Tuesday for recitation. I am writing the dance. For third of the day, I am writing traffic.
Start each day with the positive thought.
Today my friends tell you about good habits and healthy living. Good morning. We should wake up early, brush our teeth twice a day and think about every day. Thank you. Everyone, we should wash your hands before eating and after using the washroom. We should exercise, play outside and get in the sea every night. Thank you. Good morning. We should respect others and keep our surroundings clean. Good morning. We should eat healthy food like milk, eggs, fruits, and vegetables and eggs. So many sweets. Let's all follow these good habits every day and live healthy and happy life. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Welcome to Super Kids Run. Wake up, rise and shine. Make your bed and you'll feel fine. Brush your teeth, strut up and down. Start the day without a frown. Good habits, hip hooray. Let's all practice every day. Good habits, hip hooray. They will help us on our way.
Wash your hands before you eat. Keep them tidy, nice and neat. Take a bath and comb your hair. Show the world you love self-care.
Good habits, hip hooray. Let's all practice every day. Good habits, hip hooray. They will help us on our way. Say thank you, say please. Spread kind words with gentle ease. Share your toys, don't fuss or fight. Be polite and do what's right. Clap, 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 be kind. Wave, don't mind. Smile, smile, smile all day. Good friends come and stay.
Eat your veggies, chew them slow. Drink some water, watch you grow. Play outside, run, skip, hop. Exercise will never stop.
Good habits, hip hooray. Let's all practice every day. Good habits, hip hooray. They will help us on our way. Pack your bag, keep things in place. Tidy up your study space. Help at home, don't delay. Lend a hand in every way.
Read a book before you sleep. Dreams of goodness you will keep. Close your eyes, the stars will glow. Tomorrow's habits help you grow.
Good habits, hip hooray. Let's all practice every day. Good habits, hip hooray. They will help us on our way.
Please,